So, digestion will begin once food is ingested into the oral cavity. The teeth will be used for mastication, which causes mechanical digestion. The salivary glands will produce saliva, which contains enzymes, which will cause mechanical digestion, and the food will then be formed into a bolus, which can be deglutenated through the pharynx, and the epiglottis will cover the larynx, allowing the bolus to enter the esophagus, after which peristalsis will occur and allow the food in the bolus to make its way down into the stomach. Now, once it has entered the stomach, it should begin chemical digestion due to the gastric digestive juices, which will break down the food slightly into chyme, which is a mixture of digestive juices and food mixture, which is, as you can see, more broken down. It will then leave the stomach through the pyloric sphincter to enter the small intestines. Now, the small intestines are segmented into three parts. The first part being the duodenum, which through, once again, peristalsis will be forced further along the small intestines, eventually ending up in the jejunum. In the jejunum, nutrients will be absorbed and chyme will be further broken down. As it works its way down, it will then make its way towards the ileum. In the ileum, nutrients will continue to be removed and the chyme will be further broken down and eventually end off in a liquid where it will then enter the large intestines through the cecum, which is right here. Now, once peristalsis has continued to move the food along, it will be further broken down as it was turned into a liquid. So once it is entered through the cecum, it will be in the large intestines, which it will begin to head up the ascending colon, where water will be reabsorbed, continue along the transversive colon, where water will continue to be reabsorbed, make its way down the descending colon, where water will also be reabsorbed, finally ending off in the sigmoid colon, which will continue to use peristalsis to further itself along, where it will then connect to the rectum, where feces is stored until it is then ready to be excreted through defecation, through which the anus is relaxed. The anus is also a sphincter in which defecation is occurring, and the waste is removed.